There's a sound in my house that has no source. Started 4 nights ago at 4:17 a.m. Humming. Constant. Like an engine idling but not quite. I checked everything. Beaker off. Phone off. TV off. Windows closed. AC off. No construction outside. No traffic. But the sound is there. Unmistakable. Every night. 4:17 a.m. exactly. Lasts exactly 17 minutes. Then stops. Night 2 I recorded it. Played it back. My phone showed nothing. No audio file. But I could hear it recording. Playing silence while the humming filled the room. Night 3 I called an electrician. He came. Listened for 20 minutes. Said he heard nothing. But my walls were vibrating. He left. Night 4 the humming changed. It's not coming from outside. It's coming from inside the walls. Can feel it. The vibration is stronger. And there's a rhythm now. Buzz, buzz, like breathing mixed with a machine. Tonight is night 5. It's 4:16 a.m. 1 minute until the sound starts. But this time I hear it early. It's already here. And it's not humming anymore. It's whispering. I can't make out words. But it's definitely whispering my name.